Hello guys, what's up and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're stopping by here for the first time, my name is Oge. So guys, in today's recipe, we're going to be making my favorite cleansing juice, and it's a green juice. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using for this video, guys. As you can see, most of my ingredients are not looking their best, and that is because someone has been procrastinating to do this, but no more procrastination. So guys, after cleaning and cutting the fruits and veggies, I'm going to put them all into my blender, and I'll add some water, cover the blender, and we are going to blend them until they are perfectly pureed. Now guys, if you don't have a juicer, this is an amazing way to juice your vegetables and fruits or whatever you want to juice, okay? But before you get started, make sure you sterilize everything with a steaming hot water, okay? Now I'm going to pour in that blended stuff into my cheesecloth, and as you can see, I have my cheesecloth on a metal sieve. I think that's what it's called, and that's because I don't want to put my hand directly into the into the 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 clothes. So I'm going to gently squeeze out all the water from that juice, and look at how green that juice is looking. Now guys, after squeezing everything out nicely well, I'm going to pour this into a cup, which is going to enable me to pour them into my bottle, and then I'm going to take some and store some of them in the fridge, and this can last you up to a week if you bottle them properly in a cold nice fridge. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video, and this is what you have. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in another video, and bye.